What a beautiful day to go to the beach. Right, Elsie?
Right, Mommy.
Anna, are you ready to go to the beach? Almost. I cannot find my shoes, and I don't have time to buy a new one. Tinkerbell? Is that you?
Yes, Princess Anna. Are you having trouble?
Yes, I cannot find any shoes to match this bathing suit.
I can fix that, Princess Anna. Lily, zoom, lily, boom. Magic powers go zoom, zoom. Wow, where are we? We are at Merve's magic shop.
Merve?
Yes, Merve. She can make anything you need.
In that case, Miss Merve, can you make sandals that match my bathing suit? Sure, Anna. May I have your foot? Now, I will trace your foot to make a pattern. Okay? Copy the pattern onto a piece of foam 2 times. Take a small piece of ribbon and attach a rubber band. Then attach a small piece of ribbon to the back. And glue on another pattern to the bottom. And that's it.
Millie, zoom, lily, boom. Magic powers make this too. Wow, the sandals are so cute. Here you go, Princess Anna. What do you think?
Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you, Tinkerbell. Thanks, Miss Merve. My pleasure.
My pleasure.
Tinkerbell, can we go back to the house now?
Sure. Wow, Auntie Anna, your shoes are amazing. I love them.
I got them at Merve's magic shop, and she sent each of you a pair. Tinker?
Wow, Auntie Elsa, your sandals are the cutest thing I've ever seen. Yay!
Thanks so much for all your help.
You're welcome.
Ready to go, everyone?
Ready!